Hello there. I'm William Flitton, and this is my big 204 culminating assignment. I have chosen Balzac's Coffee Roasters. On the right-hand side of the screen, that handsome gentleman there is Henri de Balzac. He was a 19th century French playwright and novelist who is the namesake of the restaurant. The company's image and demographic. They are modeled after the cafes at Grand Paris. Each location uses architecture that is unique to the culture and heritage of the city and building in which it was located. For example, in Kitchener, the location located on Charles Street is in the Tannery Building, which used to be a textile factory, which is now inhabited by, among several other things, Google. Here they use the old brick that is inside the building and play off of the old style piping that runs throughout the whole building that is still used to this day. The marketing styles that they use are similar to that of the styles of posters you would find from the 19th century, specifically in Western Europe. Here you see the same kind of fonts and style choices that are unique to the time period. They have 17 distinct locations across Canada, mostly in Eastern Canada, but the founding location is in Stratford, Ontario, home to the Stratford Festival, which features many different plays, music, and literature that are by famous authors of the times. Their demographic is that of younger people, young professionals, and to a point students, where they are fiendishly chugging back coffee, as well as places to meet for business and anyone who also just enjoys a nice cup of joe. Products and services. So Balzac's has several different products, namely that of making coffee for in-house and takeout uses. Here you see a sip, save, and success marketing that they have out, where you get 10% off free shipping with Balzac subscriptions. The subscription is mainly for pre-purchasing bags of coffee beans, pre-ground espresso, as well as coffee pods for businesses or personal use. Here is a screenshot of their online store. As you can see, a 5-pound bag of coffee beans is at a rather steep $96. This is because they are part of a fair trade program, which they are able to bring coffee from ethically sourced locations, as well as they are whole coffee beans, which are slightly more expensive on average than buying pre-ground like you would find in a can of Folgers or Tim Hortons. Here they have free shipping on orders over $50, and that includes shipping and taxes. But they do have up to about a 3-day waiting period and ship through Canada Post, not Amazon or FedEx. Here they have their online store. This is some of the products they have. The bottom 3 are all different blends of coffee as well as espresso that are pre-ground for those of you that do not have a coffee grinder. The top left is the Guatemalan coffee. It comes in whole beans, as well as it's not featured here, but a pre-ground option. And the 5 boxes in the middle of the screen are their compostable pods, which can be used in Keurig type coffee makers. Here you can see they have teas, mugs, as well as postcards. The mugs and postcards are there for the different styles of each location. Here they have several different locations marketing, from the Distillery District location, the Liberty Village, and Market Street, all from Toronto. They have the Kingston, Guelph, and Kitchener locations. Down below, they have their first and second series of postcards, which can be either used decoratively or actually as postcards, as rare as that is these days. Their online marketing is that they have, on average, their coffee is roughly 10% more expensive online than it would be if you went into the store. This is most likely because they count on people coming in to purchase coffee, which they have a much higher percent profit on, rather than if they were to purchase the coffee online, mainly because you are going to buy a coffee, maybe some pastries, instead of just purchasing one container of coffee or tea. When the products that are made in-house are given to customers, they are given to them in designed and branded cups and containers that, again, feature the 19th century style. That is it for my presentation on Balzac's coffee. Thank you very much, and have a good day.